Hello everyone, this is day 0 of our camping adventure with Hetera crew. We just arrived and set up camp here at Brooks River camping ground. So we'll be here for one night and then we head up to Lake Eildon. So just chilling, enjoying the sunset. Everyone's down at the river, so we might go check. We're gonna cast a few lures and see if we catch something. So we're here at the Jerusalem campgrounds, the Jerusalem Creek camping grounds, and that's the lake over there. You can see. Okay. We've wrapped up some beef and chicken, and we're cooking them over the fire. What do you think, Wally?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, you're hungry. Taking photos. I'm so amazed by these trees. Look at these massive trees. They're so tall. Yeah, so we took a drive up, did some off-roading up the hill, up the mountain, and this is where we are. So we're just taking a break and then we'll head back down. To the bottom. So after the drive up in the mountains up there, we stopped over at a small park to have some lunch. Hey everyone, Yeah, that's the crew. Yeah, we stopped over to have some lunch. And what's for lunch?
For lunch,
Rice and tin fish.
rice,
So we have some rice.
boiling
And
water,
we have some
water
water
boiling,
that's boiling.
leftover
We have
from last
some
night,
leftover from last night. Yeah.
and some
And some tuna. They have toilets, playground, benches, grass, nice green grass. And the best thing about this place,
So we're heading back. That's our crew heading back.